Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the Fall For You Project Pan update number 1, and I have some good progress on some of these. I didn't touch that much, but I will let you guys know and talk to you guys more about these products in this video. So if you want to see more about the Fall For You Project Pan, then keep watching. So this project pan is a huge project pan that a ton of people here on YouTube and Instagram are doing. Basically, you pick 6 to 10 products that you truly love, and you can pick your own goals on them pretty much. You can use them up, you can just want to hit pan on them, various reasons. So if you haven't seen my introduction video, I will go ahead and link it in the cards up above for you guys so you can kind of see the reasons why I picked these items when I did. So like I said, some of these I want to use up. Actually, I think all of them, my goal was to use these up. Now there is a playlist down below for you guys if you want to see other YouTubers that are doing this project pan and kind of give you more motivation for yourself and using up your products. So let's just dive in and see how I'm doing on this project. So one of the items is the Human and Kind Body Souffle, and I marked it when I first did the intro, and now I am down to there. Honestly guys, I just wasn't reaching for body lotion that much. I'm not the body lotion skincare type of person, so I'm really happy honestly though with my progress on this. I think maybe I'll be able to do the same amount next time, maybe a little more. I don't think I'll be able to use this up by next update, but I am really happy with my progress on this. I do like the smell of it. I like how lightweight it is on your skin, but summertime I don't reach for lotion all that much. The next thing I barely touched. This is the Nude Sticks Lip and Cheek Pencil Intense Matte, and the shade I'm using is Kiss. It is that color right there. Today guys, I finished up another lip product that you will see, and that possibly was in a project pan, and be sure to subscribe and watch past videos if you're interested. I'll have that update coming soon, but now I can fully work on this lip pencil, so that is kind of why this one doesn't have too much progress and it still kind of looks like this, is because of my last project pan and the last lippy I was using. Another item that I have in this project pan is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Dim Light, and I have definitely expanded the pan in this. This is still not my go-to everyday powder. If it was, I would be running a major kind of tab going on with how pricey this is. This is definitely luxury. I love it though for when I'm going out, hanging with friends, on a date, any special occasion kind of stuff. So I have been using it a little bit more, but I don't think I'm going to be able to finish it, and I'm not going to be too upset about it either if I don't. I do have a backup of it because I got it on the sale in November, and I just wanted to make sure to have a backup of it. But I do love this stuff, and we'll continue to use it and update you guys with the progress. The next item is the Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator, and you'll see I was right here at the introduction, and now I am down to there. I am definitely looking to use this up by maybe the next update. We will see. But I was using my Smashbox Camera Ready BB cream while I was at the beach, and so that's why this could have had probably another week's worth of progress on it. But it didn't have SPF, and I just wanted that little extra coverage of SPF while I was at Myrtle Beach. So this will definitely be something I will be working more on. It is what my foundation is today. If you're interested in a full review demo of this product, I will link in the cards. I did that earlier on my channel. Then we have the hand cream here, and I thought it was really funny. A couple of y'all thought that I would use this up first. I'm so bad at hand cream, lotion, hand cream, everything like that. I'm just so bad at. So the line is still there. I don't think I've really made any kind of significant difference with it. Maybe a teeny tiny bit, but not really. So I need to work on using this. I love using the Delectable hand creams. They're my favorite. This is the coconut and cream, but I need to force myself to use it. I love it. It's a good thing. I love it, but you know, you guys know what I'm talking about. Then I have a moisturizer in here, and I really love this stuff. I took it to the beach with me, and I thought I would be done, but I'm not done yet. This is the Coconut Moisture Cream from First Aid Beauty, and I love this stuff. I so love this stuff. I would totally buy full size of it. I'm kind of the drama with them with not being cruelty free anymore. I don't know. So, but I do really like this stuff. It's similar to like the Belief True Cream, the Aqua Bomb, but I like this better. This is a little bit more lightweight than that, and it doesn't have as strong of a fragrance as the Belief one, so I do love this one. We'll keep working on it. And then I used this once. This is the Stila Into the Blue Glitter and Glow, and I really need to use it another time. It's definitely like drying up and getting down to the depths old, but I just didn't reach for it that often. I think once or twice maybe since the last update. So definitely have some products I need to be working on a little bit more than I thought I was planning. Like I thought I was going to do these a little bit more, but it's taking me some time to get back into this project pan thing after a couple of years break. But let me know, what do you think the next item I will be using up is. I honestly think it will probably be the foundation or that face moisturizer, but I really do like these things. I'm excited to keep doing this project pan with you guys. Let me know how you guys are doing on your project pan in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm